Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be reviewing these products. Yes, this is Beauty Formulas Activated Charcoal Facial Scrub. So this is a skincare review video, alright? So I'm going to be talking about those products and if it's good, if it's bad, if it's good for your skin, is it for all skin types. This and more is what I'll be talking about in this video. So make sure you sit back, relax, watch this video and watch it to the end. All right, I talk about everything skincare, hair, beauty, and even success, jobs in Nigeria, federal government jobs. That's what my channel is all about. So if you find any of these topics interesting, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section. So let's dive straight into the video. So I'm going to be talking about this product, this activated charcoal. Yes, this is Beauty Formulas Activated Charcoal. Have you used it before? Have you tried it? Is it good? Please let me know in the comment section what's your experience about those products. I've seen some results, but there are some things I like about this product. There are some things I don't like. So I'll be talking about them in this video, alright? I have a video where I shared how to use it, how to use active. That video is like one of my best, highest viewing skincare video here on this channel. So if you've not seen that video, please make sure you check my skincare routine. Make sure you check my skincare routine playlist, alright? So that video is there. I showed how to use this product. Yes, how to use activated charcoal to get a clearer skin and a beautiful skin. Yeah, so watch that video so that you can know how to use it. But here I'm not showing you how to use it. Here I'm just going to tell you the results and the benefits of the product, and if the product was actually good, what I noticed after using it. That's what I'm here to talk about. So let me go through it and just tell you guys about this product. Beauty Formulas with activated charcoal, deep exfoliating formula, helps the removal of blackheads, and unblock pores. So this is a facial scrub. Yeah, activated charcoal facial scrub. People are using it. I hear people talk about activated charcoal, and most people, some ladies, just feel it's for men. Trust me, it's not just for men. It's for male and female. It's for both sex. Yeah, it's a unisex product, not just for men, because it looks more masculine than feminine. So most women or most ladies will not want to use this product, but trust me, a woman can use it as well. Females can use it, male can use it, men and women. It's for both men and women, all right, not just for men, all right. An effective facial scrub formulated with activated charcoal. The microground apricot seeds work to exfoliate the skin, whilst the magnet-like power of charcoal absorbs impurities. Okay, so the charcoal on it is supposed to absorb English. Oh, English now your mates. So it's supposed to absorb the impurities, on your skin, on your face when you are using it. Then they said it's designed to deeply cleanse, leaving you feel fresher and healthier. So it's supposed to give you a fresher skin and a healthier skin when you use it. It makes your skin healthy and fresh as well. Okay, so that's what it does. Then directions: use one to two times weekly, so not just once. So if you're using it, don't use it once. Okay, when I was using it before, I was using it just once, so I didn't even see the result. I think now they're saying use it twice for best results, twice weekly for best results. Gently massage onto skin, wet skin using circular motions. So when you massage it into your skin, you have to wet your skin first. That's what they're saying. So I'm going to explain everything after reading this. So you have to wet your skin before. Then they said use it in a circular motion. Yes, so the way you're going to use this product, you use it twice weekly. And if you want to use it, you will massage it. You will apply it on your skin. No, you wet your skin first. You have to wet your face first. Then you apply it on your wet face. Then once you apply, make sure you apply all over. if you notice that if you apply it all over, you know that yes, okay, everywhere has the product or has the facial scrub on your skin, then you now start massaging. So usually when you want massage, it's in that video actually, so you have to watch that video to see how to use it. This is me just explaining, but you have to see if you want to really see how you can use it without the explanation. There I explained and I also show. So here I'm just explaining and I'm not showing. So let me just explain it for you to understand. So you have to apply, when you apply it, then you have to massage. You have to start massaging the way I normally do it. You have to massage in circular motion. All right. So you have to, if you apply it here, you have to do it like this. Do it like this. Then you start going around your face everywhere. Make sure you circular motion everywhere. You also apply on your lip if you have a dark lip. That is for those that have a dark lip. You apply it on your lip and you massage in circular motion. That way it penetrates your pores and your skin, and gives and purifies it for you. What it does is supposed to clean every impurities on your skin. All right, it's supposed to clean every impurities, every dark spot, every blackheads on your skin. So it's to clean it, open it for you and clean it. Then you can apply your products and your product will work better. So if you want it for best result, you have to do it like twice a week so that you get a very good skin. So you said in circular motions over face and neck, then wash off and pat dry. So you have to apply it not just on your face, you apply it also on your neck. So any product you're applying on your face, make sure you do it both face and neck. All right, make sure you do the application on both face and neck, not just your face, not just here and above. No, you have to do here to here. Apply it. Even if you're applying on your neck, you also apply on the other areas beside your neck as well. And also another place most people forget, behind your ear. You apply back of your neck as well, and also behind your ear and on your ear as well. So you're applying on your face, your ear, behind your ear, and on your neck, and even the areas just above, just below your neck. You apply everywhere. So that's how I apply. So if you watch that video, you definitely see how to apply it and make sure everything goes round on the area you want the products to appear, so that it gives you like, it clears everything around there and it blends. The reason why you do that is to get an even skin tone. Everything goes even and everything blends naturally. So you apply it and leave it for like 30 minutes. Yeah, for me, I used to leave it for like 30 minutes on my face before I wash. So once I leave it for 30 minutes, I wash. Once I wash, I always say this in my videos, if you're using towel, make sure you have 2 towels, one for your face and one for your body. So make sure you use just your face towel to clean your face. And if you're cleaning, you don't wipe. You don't wipe on your skin when you're using it. Yeah, you don't wipe. You dab. You dab the towel. Like for example, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. You have a towel. Okay, this is like a face towel. It's a small face towel. When you're using it, you dab. You don't wipe. You don't wipe it like this. No, you don't wipe. You don't drag. You dab. You dab it. That's how you use it. So once you dab it, you make sure you have a face towel. Like this is a tiny face towel. This can do for face towel. So if you don't have a face towel, get something like this and use it on your face. All right, just dab it. Then you have your body towel is the big one that can wrap your body very well. So that's a different one. So if you have that one, you are okay, you're good. But just get a small face towel that you can use to dab anytime you exfoliate. It's very good. Even apart from you exfoliating, even on normal days that you bathe, use a towel. Don't wipe, always dab. Okay, just the face is tender and it needs care. It needs tender love and care, like I always say. So make sure you give your face that tender love and care. Tender to your skin. All right, then time for me to say if I like it or not. What I will say about this product is I will say it's good. It's a good product. It's for all skin tones. Yes, it's for all skin tones. But I have some buts about this product. But let me just say the positive side about it first before I say the negative side. It's always good to give good news before bad news. So for the positive side, I would say it's very healthy, like it's for healthy skin. It gives you a healthy skin, it gives you a clearer skin, you know, it gives you a fresher skin. For the fact, part I like most about it is the health part, because it gives you a healthy skin. It's charcoal. Charcoal is good. We all know charcoal scrubs are good for health. They give you healthy skin. So that I like about it. Then the price as well. It's not too expensive. It's affordable for everyone. Anyone can afford it. Then it's also good for male and female. For the fact that men can use it, women can use it. I like that about it. It's unisex. The product is unisex. The part I don't like about it, what I don't like about it is the fact that it doesn't brighten your skin. Yeah, it's just for normal skin, natural skin. It doesn't give you that bright and glow. That's the part I don't like about it. There are some facial scrub, when you're using them over time, you notice your skin starts glowing and, you know, brightens your skin. If you have a dull skin, it will brighten it, but this doesn't brighten your skin. That's why I said it's for men and women. Men do like things that will brighten their skin, you know, but women do. So that's why men and women can use it. So for those women that don't want anything that will glow or brighten their skin, they can go for this. You don't want anything that will lighten your skin. This doesn't lighten your skin. It gives you a natural complexion. So if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you want, then go for this product, because that's what I notice. Because I want something that brightens. I want something that gives me glow. You know, I need my skin to glow. How will I will buy something anyway? It's cheap and affordable. So for you to get extra, you know, you need to add something, add money, and go for something else that will give you both, you know, natural and glow as well. So but this one is just natural, and that's all about it. So will I be going for this product again? For me, I'll say no, definitely no, because I want something to brighten my skin and give me a radiant and glowy skin. So I'll definitely not be going for this product again. But if you're for men, I'll recommend this product for men. It's very good for men. Yeah, my husband uses it. In fact, he's the one using it right now. I've stopped using it. I used it for like a month or two, and I noticed it wasn't giving me what I want. That's natural, fresh glow. So I stopped using it. But it's very good for my husband. He's using it, he's enjoying it, and definitely this is like the second one he's using. So he likes it. He likes it. So for men, I recommend this for men, but not for women. No. I don't recommend this for women, but I recommend it for men. All right. Yes. So where I got this product and how much I got this product in H Medics. Yes, as usual, that's where I get most of my products. That's where I get my skincare products, my hair care products, and in fact everything I buy. I buy it in H Medics. Why? Because I'm sure of their products. Their products are affordable. They are sure that it's a good product. It's quality, you know, it's the highest quality they sell. They don't sell, you know, counterfeit and all that. So I'm sure of their product. That's why I go to H Medics. So I got it for 5k. I got it for 5,000 naira in H Medics. Yes, so that's the price you can get it. I used to buy it before, like the first one we bought was around 2.5, but it lasted us for long because I didn't use it. It was only my husband that was using, and he was using just little amounts. You know, men don't really apply product like us. So he was using it, and he used it for like more than a year. Yeah, so the next time we went back to buy, we got it like double the price. So I don't even know like the current, like we've been using it for more than 6 months now, and I don't know the current price. So if you're going, make sure you like, I'm sure the price must have maybe changed a little, maybe they've increased the price. So just take notes that I bought it for 2.5. I bought it for, the first one was 2.5, the second one, which is this, is 5,000. So I don't know the current price right now after 6 months, but do well to check and know. Okay, so let me know if you'll be trying this product. Yes, let me know, will you try it? Have you tried it? Have you tried this product? What's your experience? Please let me know in the comment section. Share with us in the comment section if you enjoyed this product, if you enjoyed using charcoal facial scrub by Beauty Formula. Let me know in the comment section, and if you didn't enjoy it, please also share with us in the comment section. What did you notice? Please let us know in the comment section. And if you've not tried it, let me know if you'll be trying it. Yeah, if you'll be trying it to see if it will work for you, if you like it. Let me know if you're going to try it, if you're going to go and get it for yourself in the comment section. So thank you all for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.